Hey guys, so today I want to tell you how to make your $3 bag into an FPV bag. This bag can contain like up to 5 lipos. I got 3 only here, and you can get your radio inside and your goggle inside very securely, and 1 or 2 drone maybe. With this little gadget, costs less than $3. So this little gadget comes from iFlight. It costs less than $3. It's 16.99 Chinese yuan. So basically, this little gadget combines with 2 little plastic parts and 2 carbon fiber parts. To clamp them together, 1 carbon fiber parts and 2 plastic parts on the outside, and 1 carbon fiber parts in the inside of your bag, and using screws to hold them together to secure your drone outside. However, this strap is not long enough for my Cinewhoop, but it can hold my Impulse RC alien frame perfectly. So this little gadget comes from iFlight. It comes with a bag inside and 3 screws and 3 nuts and all the parts you need inside, and the strap, of course. And the bag I use is from Decathlon. It's a Quechua bag. It cost me like 15 yuan, Chinese yuan, which is approximately $2. So I'm planning to mount this gadget on here. So firstly, I grab my screwdriver kit and grab the smallest one, and to punch a little hole so we can fit a bigger hole in it. And of course, get yourself a pen, mark those 3 holes, use your screwdriver to punch through the holes. And next, you will want to use a bigger screwdriver to punch through the hole, and use a lighter to kind of fry off these fabrics to make them fix into their place, so they are not going to squeeze back together to make the hole fixed. And you might find yourself hard to push those screws into the carbon fiber parts. You will need to use a screwdriver to screw them in. And the last part, it's easy enough that don't need me to do commentary on this, and you will be able to finish it. So this bag is too easy to fit a SkyZone goggle. Maybe you have a Fat Shark and a FrSky X7S or something like that, and easily that outer bag, it can fit up to maybe 5 lipos inside it. You can try it yourself. And of course the Cinewhoop. However, it has no place to mount it, so I have to disassemble its battery strap to mount this thing on it. I'm looking forward to have a proper solution to this. So this is how you can make your $3 bag and a $3 gadget to make a bag and a FPV bag. Thanks for watching today. If you like my video, please put it a thumb up. Thank you. I appreciate your support.